Sure, here's a comprehensive analysis of the Ducati Monster 796, covering its history, design, performance, handling, and overall appeal. Design and build. The Ducati Monster 796 boasts the classic naked bike aesthetic that the Monster series is renowned for. It features a minimalist design with an exposed trellis frame, emphasizing the mechanical beauty of the bike. The 790SXS styling includes a muscular tank, a sleek tail section, and a single-sided swing arm, which adds to its aggressive and sporty look. The bike is available in various colors, with the iconic Ducati red being a favorite among enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Monster 796 is an 803 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, desmodromic L-twin engine. This power plant produces around 87 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 58 lb-ft of torque at 6,250 RPM, providing a robust and responsive ride. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission that offers smooth and precise gear changes. The Monster 790SXS engine is known for its distinctive Ducati character, delivering a strong mid-range punch that makes it exciting to ride both in city traffic and on open roads. The desmodromic valve system, a hallmark of Ducati engines, ensures efficient valve timing and contributes to the engine's impressive performance. Handling and ride quality. One of the standout features of the Ducati Monster 796 is its handling. The bike's lightweight chassis, combined with its compact dimensions, makes it highly maneuverable and agile. The single-sided swing arm not only enhances the bike's aesthetic appeal, but also improves handling by reducing unsprung weight. The suspension setup includes a 43mm Marzocchi upside-down fork at the front and a progressive linkage with preload and rebound adjustable Sachs monoshock at the rear. This configuration provides a firm yet comfortable ride, capable of handling various road conditions with ease. The Monster 790SXS suspension strikes a good balance between sportiness and comfort, making it suitable for both spirited riding and everyday commuting. Braking system. Braking duties are handled by dual 320mm discs with Brembo 4-piston radial calipers at the front and a single 245mm disc with a 2-piston caliper at the rear. This braking setup offers excellent stopping power and control, allowing riders to confidently tackle both high-speed rides and emergency stops. The inclusion of ABS, anti-lock braking system, adds an extra layer of safety, preventing wheel lockup during hard braking. Ergonomics and comfort. The Ducati Monster 796 is designed with rider comfort in mind. The ergonomics feature a relatively upright riding position, thanks to the high and wide handlebars, which reduce strain on the rider's wrists and back. The seat height of 31.5 inches, 800 millimeters, is accessible for most riders, and the narrow profile of the bike makes it easy to reach the ground. The seat itself is well padded and provides good support for longer rides. However, the passenger seat is somewhat limited in terms of comfort and space, which is a common trait among naked bikes focused on the rider's experience. Features and technology. While the Ducati Monster 796 doesn't boast an extensive array of electronic aids, it does come with some essential features. The digital instrument cluster displays important information such as speed, RPM, trip meters, fuel gauge, and warning lights. The bike also includes Ducati's APTC wet clutch, which offers a light clutch pull and smoother engagement, particularly useful in stop-and-go traffic. Conclusion. The Ducati Monster 796 is a well-rounded motorcycle that combines performance, style, and practicality. Its engaging engine, agile handling, and iconic design make it a popular choice among riders looking for a versatile naked bike. While it may require diligent maintenance, The rewards of owning and riding a Ducati Monster 796 are well worth the effort for many enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycling, the Monster 796 offers a thrilling and satisfying experience.
Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos.